Hey guys, what's going on? Going to open something that I purchased from Mandees Doll Couture. So let me see if I can add her. Yeah, I'm on live. I know. Already knew that. Hey guys. What do they want, Tyson? Oh, okay. Juice is in the refrigerator and there's a bottle right there. Hey y'all. Okay, so oh good. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that I bought from Mandees Doll Couture. Y'all know she hand crochets doll stuff, doll clothes, baby doll clothes, and all of that. There she goes. Hey Mandy. So I got my package. Thank you so much. The formula is in my bathroom. And get the cup. Yeah. Okay. Sorry y'all. I gotta try to get the baby squared away. So yeah, I wanted to share before I start, cleaning my house for Thanksgiving guests tomorrow and cooking. I wanted to go ahead and share this. I love Mandy's stuff. I've bought a lot of stuff from her. She sent me a lot of stuff. So yeah, she is absolutely one of my favorite Etsy sellers, like for real. So if you haven't seen her stuff, you can follow her at Mandees Doll Couture. And that is also, I believe, the name of her Etsy store. So so this is the little baby that's from the new babysitter Skipper boy. So I'll be trying these clothes on him. He's super cute. Oh, and he has freckles. Oh my god, I didn't even notice that. He has freckles. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. You know I have freckles, so I love dolls with freckles. Okay. So, we shall open. Oh, she sent me a nice little card. Hope you love the Christmas outfit, Mandy. She always sends a sweet little note. She always packages everything up so cute and sweet. And I've learned that from her. It's so fun to open stuff that's nicely packaged. So, I have started doing that now when I send people their stuff that they buy from me. I try to package it up nice and cute. So, let's open it up. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, okay. This cute little beanie. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. Okay, so let's put the little beanie on. Oh my god, why? Oh, I'm missing the comments. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I was behind on the comments. Oh my god, so cute already. Okay, and then the outfit will come with a beanie and a little diaper cover and little shoes. And she sent me an extra beanie. Thank you. All right, so let's take off the little Mattel diaper. Oh, it's overalls. That's right.
Say hi.
Oh, Tyson wants to say hey, guys. Are you going back outside?
Yeah, it's getting cold.
Okay. Does TJ need to put a jacket on too? Could you bring him a hoodie?
So it's probably hot.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so that's right. I couldn't even remember what I got. I was just so excited when I saw it. I was like, ah! As soon as she posted it, I was like, oh, I have to have that. So I just ran on there, ran to her Etsy. Matter of fact, I just Cash Apped her. I didn't even go to Etsy. I was like, yeah, I need that. So,
Can I take my phone out?
yeah, be careful with it, please. Okay, so of course you want to be really careful. Ooh, I can't wait to see Mandy. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I have a lot of stuff from Mandy. I love her stuff. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. And what of course, we all buy Barbie stuff and Barbie clothes. But it's always good to support your, local or our small businesses and our doll community when they make stuff, because Mattel don't need the coin. They don't need it. So it's always good to support the doll community family as good as we can. I'm trying to be so careful putting this on. Okay, So small and tiny and cute. Oh, I didn't even realize he had freckles. I love him already. Oh my god, this is so cute, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna put his little beanie back on and shoes. And I mean, this could be for a boy baby or a girl baby. Hey, Lindsay. Is she the one that made the baby bag? No. Mombi Loves Barbie made my diaper bag, but Mandy made the crochet bohemian bag that I have on the picture. If you go back to my pictures, and I did the picture in front of like the big window with the like bohemian clothes and the doll that had the long bohemian dreads. The purse she has on is from Mandy. So yeah. Oh my god, y'all. Are y'all ready? Look how cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. Okay, yeah, so she can make diaper bags too. I might need to get one of those. Crochet ones. Perfect. Yes. So yes. Oh my god. He's so cute. He or she. Either way. It will work for a boy or a girl. Because, you know, it's just Christmas colors. So perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. So I'm going to get my little blanket that she made me too. And put the blanket with the baby. Like the babies, get this baby all ready for, she's on here actually. Ash Arbor's story is her too. But let me, hey Atlanta Falcons. And hey Dawn. All right, let me tag her business page. Hold on. And pin it. All right, so now and pin that. Bam. Okay, so that's her Instagram. Yes, she's on here. Ash Arbor's story is also her. She does doll stories as well. So okay, why did it make it dark? Okay. All right, so here's the little blanket. I also ordered this blanket from her, and y'all know I love Gucci. I love Gucci, obsessed. So I wanted her to make me, hey dolls from Moi. I wanted her to make me like a Gucci blanket. So I picked out one that was on her Etsy store already. And I asked her if she could make it in these colors for me. And she did. So I have a little Gucci crochet blanket. And of course, since the Gucci colors are red and green, it matches this little outfit. Perfect. Yes, Mandees Doll Couture is Mandy, which is also Ash Arbor's story, which is the Instagram that she uses for her doll stories. How cute is this though, y'all? Like, oh my god, so cute. So definitely hit her up. Like I'm obsessed. I try to order something from her like once a month just because. Hey Jackie, hey girl, what's going on? Okay, so look at there with the little outfit, the hat, the booties, and the blanket. Oh gosh, little bougie baby. I need another one of these so I can make a Gucci one. You know what I'm saying? So it don't match. I need a Gucci one. I'm gonna go buy another one. And we have another little hat too. So, you know, I'll put the other little hat on my little Steffi Love baby. I like these babies too. And these clothes that she makes, they do fit these babies too. If you have these little like Steffi Love babies. I know you have these, Jackie. They do fit these babies, and they also fit like the baby Chrissy's too. So let's put his little hat on. Oh, this is a girl, so her little hat. Oh my god. Oh, so cute. I love these little babies because they have the big heads like the newborns when they first come out. Like big old head and forehead. So it fits her too. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh, yes. So if you need, yes, you have babies everywhere. Like literally, me too, and you, like literally in real life and in doll world. Like there's babies everywhere. Yep. And also I noticed that Mandy, your dresses also fit my they even fit the dresses that are of course not like the overall piece. Oh, okay. Thank you. Actually, I'm probably about to order some more stuff because I know you just said you're about to put some more stuff on there. So I'm probably about to order some more stuff. Damn, stuff falling all down. Where's that baby? So that dress that you made me will also fit like it'll fit these little babies too, the dresses. And it also fit my little heart family baby, wherever the H word she is right now. I don't even know where she is, y'all. My stuff is everywhere right now because I've been working on orders. Oh my God. And I really need to take a break and like tend to my area because it is looking terrible right now. Hey Marvin, I'm trying to see what the heck did I do with my little heart family baby? Dang. I don't even know where she is. Oh yes, she makes stuff for all sizes. Your curvy dolls, your tall dolls, regular dolls, your baby dolls, your Kellys, Chelsea's, Skipper, Ken, Integrity Toys, whatever. She makes hats. She made me a hat. Let me see if I can find a hat. The crochet hats are so cute. Let me see. Oh, I think I just had it. Oh my goodness. I probably put it in the bag with my Ken stuff. Dang it. I would love to show y'all that hat, but I literally just had it out last night, so I probably put it away with the clothes. But yes. Oh, you are? Oh my God. Yeah, they don't. The Heart Family babies don't. But your dress does fit her. So as long as it snaps or buttons in the back, then it will fit like all of these. These, it'll fit. These, it'll fit. These, it'll fit everybody. As long as it snaps in the back. So kind of similar to this one. As long as it does that, it fits everybody. You know I had to try it out. I was scared. I was like, be careful, trees, don't break it. But yeah, so any of the dolls, the dresses will fit all your little people. And it's cool because they don't have like fashion packs for those. So that's why I buy a lot of stuff from Mandy for the babies, because there's really not any to find. Get some water. Didn't you just get some water? Did you drink the one you had?
No. Yeah, I drank the one.
Okay. Kids are playing outside. Yeah, so I had to show y'all that right quick because, you know, I gotta look out for y'all. You know, I always try to share stuff if I can, you know, help everybody out. I know it is like impossible really to find baby clothes. They don't sell baby clothes, like, and I wonder why they don't. I mean, it really doesn't matter because you can always just order from Mandy. But yeah, they don't sell baby clothes. Hey Julie. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, so definitely that is why I like originally started buying stuff from Mandy, and then I started seeing like all her stuff, and I was like, okay, yeah, I need this. I have bathing suits, bikinis, all that, ponchos, hats, whatever. I think I even have some little slippers. Yeah, I do. I have some Barbie slippers too. So yeah, hit her up. Yes, she has really cute stuff. Hey, Ro, what's going on, boo? I was just showing everybody this cute little baby outfit Mandy sent me. Yes. You know we have to support each other. I mean, and her prices are really, really good, y'all. Like, for real. I want to say, and correct me if I'm wrong, that this whole outfit was $8 shipped. Now, you cannot beat that. Oh, yeah, earrings, too. Earrings, necklaces. Mandy got it all over there. Okay? Yeah, she popping. And, I mean, yeah. I can't say enough about how bomb she is and how bomb her stuff is and the quality. Like, seriously. So, if you have little babies or whatever, you need to go to her store and get your baby some clothes. Because if not, your baby gonna be cold. It's getting cold out here, and this little diaper ain't gonna cut it. Like, this is all them babies come with. That's it. Mattel don't care about these babies, but Mandy does. So hit Mandy up. Get your baby some clothes. Yes, Julie, get on over there. Get on over there. Oh, Mandy, stop it. You do though. I'm being real. I'm just being real. I mean, you know me. I'm just keeping it 1,000, not 100, but 1,000. Like, for real. So yeah. I am going to post this cute little baby. What am I going to name Do I want it to be a him because he has freckles? I might want this to be a girl because she has freckles, because I have freckles. I'm going to name her, what should I name her? I'm going to name her Patricia. That's my mom's name. My mom's name is Patricia. And that's pretty close to my name. And my mom has freckles. So Patricia is getting some love. Oh yeah, I have Halloween not costume, but like a Halloween baby outfit for Mandy. I have the 4th of July outfit for Mandy. Now I have the Christmas. Any holiday. Matter of fact, I know when Easter come, I want some bunny ears. She can do it all. Yes. Baby Patricia. Baby Patricia is brand new. She just got here. She already popping. Now I just need to go to Target and get one more of these so I can make a Gucci, you know? Yeah. But yeah, so I will save this live and I will tag you, Mandy. So everyone can come on and shop with you. And yeah, I mean, hey, I can't say enough except for that. First of all, you ain't gonna find no baby clothes in the store, and they definitely not gonna be this good of quality, like, period. So yeah, get y'all baby some clothes. Look how cute. Look, she's trying to jump out of there. Sit back, Patricia. All right, so let me clean up a little bit. I'll come back and holler at y'all later. Love you all. Kisses, positive vibes. Be kind, be safe. Put your mask on, queens and kings. Please wear your mask, okay? Be safe. This coronavirus has not gone away. So please be safe. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.